Okay students, I'm going to show you how to create the letterbox. The first thing you need to do is go up to the A button, click on Open, and you need to open up your Year 7 template. It's probably inside your Year 7 design folder on your documents. So over here on the left, scroll to the bottom, find your Year 7 design folder, and double click on your Year 7 template. It should be blank inside here. Now, I want you to hit the A button and click Save As, because we want to save it as Letterbox. So we're saving it again as a letterbox, and click on Save. Now, before we get started, let's make sure we select the correct angles. Notice here how my angles are at 45 degrees. So down in my polar settings, I'm going to right click and change that to 45. Now if this is gray, for example, if it looks like this, it means you have it off. So make sure it's blue. You can left click it to ensure that you have it blue. Now let's start off by drawing the outside shape of our box. I'm going to go up and select a line. I'm going to start on this corner here and move over and go around. So first distance I need to go is 60 by 34 by 108. So starting here, I'm going to go over, make sure I've got my green dashed line, and type 60 on my keyboard in, and hit the Enter key. Then I'm going to move my mouse straight down and type in 34, and hit Enter. Then I'm going to move my mouse to the right and type in 108 and hit Enter. Next I need to go up 54 and over 12. So up 54, Enter, over 12, Enter. Now I need to go up a total distance of 6, over 24, and back down 6 again. Up 6, Enter, over 24, Enter, down 6, Enter, back over 12 again, Enter, and connect it up. Once you've finished that, hit the Escape key. Next I'm going to draw my angled lines. To do that, because I'm doing an oblique drawing, you need to have anything that's going backwards. So see, it normally says 40, but you actually have to type in 20 because it will not look correct unless you do half the distance. So I'm going to click my line, click my corner. Now this time, instead of going straight, I need to go my angle. So notice how I've got my green dashed line, and I'll type in 20 on my keyboard and hit Enter. To finish it, you can hit Escape. Next, I want to copy my things. So to copy an item, I'm going to go up to the top right and I'll see the copy button. It looks like a circle going to 2 circles. Click the copy button. Your mouse should change to a square. Also down here it tells us to select our objects. So I want to select this line. It will turn to a dashed and hit the Enter key. Then it says specify the base point. That means where you're going to start from. So I want to start here, so I'll click my green square here, and now it's attached to my mouse. So I can keep clicking every spot I need to create a line. Okay. Once that's finished, you can hit the Enter key and you've completed that. Now I want you to use your line and simply connect all your lines up. So click your green squares, connect those up. Now right here's a bit tricky. We don't actually go down to there, that's incorrect. See how it looks a bit funny? What I'll need to do this time, instead of doing that, I'll need to click my line and start from here, and if I move over very carefully, it'll turn to a little X. Notice how it's in line with this one, and I'll click right there. Okay, and I'll hit Escape. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to create the inside piece here. Alright, you can do any dimension you want. So what I'm going to do is click my line. I'll probably start about here. I'm going to go over 28, hit enter, go down 15, hit enter, and go back 28 again, hit enter, and connect it. Then I'm going to do another one. This time it's going to be about, we're going to just estimate it. So I'm going to start about there. I might go over about, say, 18. Enter. I might go up about 7. Back 18. And connect it up. Now all I got to do left is do the inside bit here. So for that, I'm going to go over and click on my offset button. My offset button looks like a little pool or a thumbs up at the top. So click on your offset button. What I want to know is how far in do we want to offset it. So for the sides here, we want to do 10. So I'll type 10 on my keyboard in and hit the enter key. Then I'll click on the left side. See how I can move it in or out? I want to go in. I'm going to click on this one, in or out. Okay, I want to go in and click. Okay, and then hit enter to finish it. Now we've got these lines. Next we got to do these sides. So I'm going to click on my offset again. This time I'll type in 5 on my keyboard, hit enter. Pick this line, go down. This line, I'll go up. Okay, then hit enter to finish. Now I need to zoom in and connect these lines, so I'll click my line, click the blue dot, connect, click this line, connect, click this line, connect, click this line, click it, connect, click this line, connect, 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 connect. Alright, then I'll hit escape to finish it. Now all I have to do left is drop a line in here, and that'll finish off my drawing. So see how you get your little green X and click. Okay. If you want to, you're welcome to put in text. So the A button. Draw a little rectangle. Okay, you can change the size. I might make it 5 millimeters. And I'll type in, let's see, number 18 sounds good. And click OK. You can add your colors. So I've already taught you how to use colors before. Alright, it's starting to look a bit better. Maybe I'll change this color here, make it yellow. And do one more color. Alright, and there you go. So that finishes the drawing. The next thing you have to do is work on your printing.